Logical operators. In this video, we will talk about some useful logical operators. You may need them during writing queries, especially when you want to filter your results. So let's start with like and jump into SQLite Studio and see how to use it and get benefit from it. The like operator is used in where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. And we have two wildcards which can be used with the like operator, which are percentage and underscore sign. When you are using percentage sign, it represents 0, 1 or multiple characters, while the underscore sign is representing only one character. So let's jump into SQLite Studio and see how to use like and the wildcard as well. Back to our test database, I am selecting everything from the EMP data table. I am getting a big list of all employees that I have in this company. Now, if I want to filter the big list and get a shorter list, I'm getting those names that only starts with a character. For this, I am using the like operator. So what I will do, I'll write select. For example, I want the first name, last name, company name from the EMP data, where then I'll write the condition the first name starts with A. For this, I'll write first name like, and then between quotation I will write A, and then I'll write the percentage. So this way I'm getting anything, any names that starts with A, and the rest will be ignored. And this wildcard represents multiple characters. So I will close the syntax and run the query. As you see, I'm getting a list for those that their first name starts with A. Now, if I want to get another list that their name starts with A and ends with E, for example, what I will do, I'm only adding E. So any name that starts with A and ends with E, and between A and E will be multiple characters. So if I run this, I'm getting a shorter list that their name starts with A and ends with E. Now let's say you want to get another list that the second character of the name is N, for example. What you do in this case, instead of using the percentage, we need to use the underscore sign. So I will copy this and paste it. So I get rid of it. And then I'll write underscore. This underscore is representing only a single character, so it means ignore the first character, and the second one, what you like to be, I would like to be N, and the rest I would like to be anything, so I'll write percentage. So this way I'm getting all the names that the second character is N and ignore the rest. So let's run this query. As you see, I'm getting a list that their second character is N. This way we were able to use underscore and percentage sign together to filter our data. In the next videos, we will talk about other logical operators and how to get benefit from them to filter our data. So see you in my next video.